we go through the sea reading lesson, that is Little Bobby. It is a humorous prose lesson. Little Bobby. Little Bobby is a naughty boy. Naughty. 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 Naughty means troublemaking. He is a troublemaker. He is troubling the teachers in the school and also in the family. This boy came into the kitchen where his mother was making dinner. Here, little Bobby was a troublemaker. He was coming to kitchen. In the kitchen, his mother was preparing dinner. What was the reason to enter in the kitchen? His birthday was coming up and he thought this was the good time to tell his mother what he wanted. His birthday was coming nearly, so he wanted to take a gift from his mother. In the kitchen, his mother was very calm. He thought it was the good time to ask a gift on his birthday. So he went to his mother and asked, Mom, I want a bike for my birthday. Little Bobby was a bit of a troublemaker. He is a nuisance boy. He is a naughty boy. He always making some troubles to the teachers in the school and also in the house. He had gotten into the trouble at school and at home. Then his mother listened the words of Bobby and asked Bobby if he thought he deserved to get a bike for his birthday. My dear son, are you deserved to get a bike for your birthday? She asked question. Because little Bobby was a troublemaker. In the previous year, he did not study well. He did not get good marks. That's why she got some complaints from the school. So his mother wanted to change his attitude. That's why she put a question, my dear son, please think yourself whether you deserved to get a bike on your birthday. Little Bobby, of course, thought he did. He means he thought for a while. Bobby's mother wanted Bobby to reflect. To reflect means to think on his behavior over the last year and said, my dear son, go to your room and think about how you have behaved this year. What is your progress? Then write a letter to God and tell Him why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Here, the word God and Him are relative words. They are in the capital letters God and Him. Him means God. She told to Bobby, you should write a letter to God and tell to God why you deserve a bike for your birthday. Then little Bobby was overjoyed and stumped up the steps to his room. ఎగురుకుంటూ మెట్లను తొక్కుంటూ గబగబా శబ్దం చేసుకుంటూ రూమ్లోకి వెళ్ళాడు. Here, Jesse, his pet dog, followed him. When little Bobby was going to his room, his pet dog also followed him. The dog name is Jesse. In examination, they will ask, what was Jesse? Jesse was the pet dog of little Bobby. Bobby thought for some time and sat down to write a letter to God. He went to his room and sat in a chair and took a paper and a pen and started to write what was his vision. He wanted to write a letter. Jesse sat beside him and started watching what Bobby was doing. What was Bobby doing? Bobby was writing letter to God. Now we go to the structure of the letter which was written by Bobby. Letter 1. He started the letter. He put the word Dear God. Here he feels God as his friend. So he used dear. Dear God, I have been a very good boy this year and I would like a bike for my birthday. That too, I want a red bike. And concluded the letter, your friend Bobby. Bobby knew that this was not true because he was a naughty boy and a troublemaker and he got lowest marks in the previous year. He had not been a very good boy this year, so he tore up the letter. Tore, చించివేయటం tear, tore, torn, T-E-R, tear, tore, torn, T-O-R-N-E. He tore up the letter and started again to write the second letter. What was the second letter? You can see here, letter 2. Dear God, in the second letter also, he treated God as his friend. This is your friend Bobby. I have been a good boy this year and I would like a red bike for my birthday. Thank you, your friend Bobby. In the first letter and the second letter, there is no difference. But he asked God to send him a red bike. Now we go to the third letter. Bobby knew that this was not true either because he was a troublemaker. So he again tore up the second letter and started to write third letter. What is the structure of the letter? Here he also used, Dear God, I have an okay boy. I am not a brilliant one and I am a common student this year. I still would really like a bike for my birthday. I am a general student. If you permit me, I want a bike for my birthday, Bobby. Here he did not write your friend. He simply write his name. Next, Bobby knew that he could not send this letter to God either. He did not want to post this letter, so he wanted to tore that letter and write the fourth letter. What was the fourth letter? Now he used God. He did not use the dear. He simply write God. It is a requesting part. He is appealing. I know I have not been a good boy this year. నాకు తెలుసు. I am not a good boy. I am a troublemaker. I am a naughty boy. I am very sorry. I am saying apology. Please excuse me. I will be a good boy if you just send me a bike for my birthday. If you send a red bike for my birthday, I would change to a good boy. Please, God, send me a red bike. Thank you, Bobby. Now, in the four letters, he was not satisfied. Bobby knew even it was true. Here he wanted to change his attitude and behavior, but he had a doubt. This letter was not going to get him a bike. With these letters, God would not send him. So he thought a while. He was very upset. He was not going to get a red bike. He went to the downstairs and told his mom that he want to go to church. Now I am going to church. Here Before the church, we should not use the definite article. Bobby's mother thought that her plan had worked as Bobby looked very sad. Why she thought like that? The sinners may go to church and there was a ఆల్టర్ చర్చిలో ఆల్టర్ అనే ఒక టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది ఆ టేబుల్ పక్కన కూర్చొని మనం చేసిన తప్పులను చెప్పి క్షమాపణను కోరడం జరుగుతుంది హియర్ బాబీ వాజ్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ టు గో టు చర్చ్ దెన్ షీ థాట్ దట్ హీ వాజ్ గోయింగ్ టు చేంజ్ దట్స్ వై దట్ హర్ ప్లాన్ హ్యాడ్ వర్క్డ్ నేను వేసిన ప్లాన్ కుదిరింది he wanted to change his attitude and wanted to get excuse from the altar in the church. Just be home in time for dinner, my boy. Bobby's mother told him, వెళ్తే వెళ్ళావు భోజనానికి తొందరగా రా. That means it was dinner. Dinner means night time. Bobby walked down the street to the church of the corner. Little Bobby went into the church and up to the altar. He went to the altar. He looked around to see if anyone was there. ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా అని అటు ఇటు చూశాడు. Bobby bent down and picked up a small statue of Mary, the mother of God. He took the statue of Mary. Mary is the mother of Jesus. He slipped the statue. Slipped means he put the statue under his shirt and ran out of the church, down the street, into the house and up to his room. ఆ స్టాచ్యూని తీసుకొని రోడ్డంబటే పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి చేరి రూమ్లోకి చేరాడు. హీ షట్ ద డోర్ of his room and sat down with a piece of paper and a pen. Bobby started to write a letter to God. This is the fifth letter. God, I have kidnapped your mom. Oh God, I have kidnapped your mother. If you want to see her again, send me the bike. It is a command. In this manner, he wanted to blackmail the God also. Here is the nature of little Bobby. Nowadays, students are changing by seeing pictures and YouTube stories. They are becoming very naughty and troublesome and worst students. Now, glossary. Troublemaker, a person who often causes trouble, deserved, qualified to have something. Reflect means think, stumped means walked in a noisy way, in an upset mood. Upset mood means distract mood. What is the humorous action? Writing a letter by kidnapping the statue of Mary. I have kidnapped your mom. If you want your mother, please send me a red bike. If you want a bike, what would you write to God? This is a creative question. If I want a bike, I will change my attitude and behavior like a good boy. And then I will ask God to send me the bike. Would you like the behavior of the little boy? Why or why not? Little Bobby was a troublemaker. That's why we would not like the behavior of little Bobby because he was a naughty boy and a troublemaker. He was troubling the teachers in the school and also in the house. With this, we conclude. Now, in this video, we have completed two parts, B reading and C reading. B reading is a poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, and Little Bobby. Now,